Welcome to sixth program of the software testing. That is, we have to design and develop and run the code for the next state function using the equivalence class testing criteria, right? Then there are valid cases and the invalid cases has been mentioned for the next guest function. The month has the value in between 1 to 12. Day has the value in between 1 to 31. Year has the value in between 1812 to 2013, right? The equivalence class testing is nothing but it has to be derived into four parts: weak normal, strong normal, weak robust, and the strong robust cases, right? The word normal says for the valid inputs. The word R stands for robust. This is considered as invalid inputs, right? Weak and strong are nothing but the single fault and multiple fault assumption respectively, right? There are some invalid cases has been considered. If the month which is less than 1, then we can consider invalid cases. Month value that exceeds the 12, that is also invalid, like the day and the year has been considered, right? Then the weak normal and the strong normal equivalence classes are identical, then we have to derive within a single table itself, right? Then first we have to give the description for this. That is nothing but enter the value of month, day and the year. Month value is 6 in between 1 to 12. Yes, this is valid, right? The day value of 15 has been taken here. 1 less than 15 less than 31. Yes, this is valid. 1912 is in between 1812 to 2013, right? Yes, all the inputs are valid. Then the expected output may be the next day has to be displayed 60, month remains same 1912, right? Then for the weak robust and the strong robust, the main difference between these two is this weak robust, the number of inputs that has been taken here is 3 variables has been taken: month, day and the year. Either the month or day or year that contains out of range value. See, for example, month value which is taken as -1, that is not in between 1 to 12, right? Then we can consider for that case is a weak robust. If more than one input that contains the out of range values, then we can say that is a strong robust cases, right? Then weak robust cases. See, in case of this, month value is -1, day value is 15, year is 1912. Day and year is in between the range, but for the month this is considered as -1. Then this is the case for weak robust cases, right? Then similarly for the strong robust case, see, if more than one input that contains the out of range values. See, month has the value -1, day has the value -1. These are not within the range, but the year is within the range. More than one input that contains the out of range values, then we can say that is an strong robust case. Thank you.